A beautiful bridal trend that has been significantly in demand and growing in the last few months is gold. Gold is back in. It is a beautiful warm tone and it goes well with any skin complexion, any hair color, and it beautifully elevates your bridal look, creating that golden, majestic, regal style that so many brides adore. We have seen a lot of gold floral headpieces in 2021, and this trend is certainly only going to magnify further in 2022, where I'm starting to see brides reaching out for a little bit bolder bridal looks, gold looks, such as this one. Something new and fresh, with gorgeous golden leaf detail, mother of pearl detail, fresh water pearls incorporated into that the style, creating more of a majestic sort of headband that sits beautifully on the head and helps you feel like a goddess. That is truly our mission and passion at My Soulmate Wedding, and we love to surprise and delight you with high quality bridal headpieces made here in Australia, in Brisbane. We have a design studio in Hervey Bay, and we love to pour over 40 years of jewelry design experience, skills, and love into every single headpiece that we make. So I invite you to check us out. We have a shop on Etsy called My Soulmate Wedding, and we can't wait to connect with you and serve you and help you find your dream headpiece that will make you feel like a goddess.